What are backup codes in two-factor authentication?
Backup codes are special single-use codes provided by a service when you set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA. They act as a safety net if you ever lose access to your phone or authentication app. By entering a backup code, you can log in to your account securely, even when your usual 2FA method isn't available.
How do you get backup codes?
Most services generate backup codes when you enable two-factor authentication. You can usually find them in your account security settings. The service will offer you a set of codes to download, copy, or print. It's important to store these codes somewhere safe, but also where you can reach them if you can't access your 2FA device.
When should you use a backup code?
Use a backup code if you can't access your regular 2FA method, like your phone or authenticator app. For example, if your phone is lost or broken, a backup code lets you log into your account. Remember, each backup code can only be used once, so keep the remaining codes for future emergencies.
Are backup codes safe to use?
Backup codes are safe as long as you keep them secure. Do not share them with others or store them in easily accessible places, like plain text files on your computer. Consider printing them or writing them down and locking them up. If you think your backup codes may have been seen by someone else, generate new ones right away.
What happens if you lose your backup codes?
If you've lost your backup codes but still have access to your account, visit your security settings to generate a new set. If you're locked out of your account and don't have the codes or your 2FA device, you'll usually need to go through an account recovery process, which can take extra time and may require identity verification.